Today I'm making a pink storage ottoman I wanted to have for such a long time. As usual, I'll be using cardboard as a base. So I cut out so many cardboard boxes into the circle shapes like I'm showing here. I divide it into equal parts and use a small circle shape which is around 5 cm in diameter, and I use it as a template and mark it into the cardboard like I'm showing here. Then I used a craft knife and cut out the shapes like this. I'm making cardboard rolls with wooden dowels inside as a reinforcement, using hot glue to secure it in place. I tried my best to keep it into the same diameter as the circle shapes I cut out earlier. Then I secured each rolls into the base piece with some extra hot glue. Then I made another cardboard piece like this and cut out the circle shape from the center part. Place the base piece over it and mark exactly where the rolls are to be. Then I cut out the circle shapes like I had done for the base piece in the first part. Then I'm securing each piece together with hot glue. Then I covered the exterior with a flexible cardboard sheet. Then I'm using a flexible cardboard sheet and cover it with foam and a fabric. To create a tufting design, I'll be using a rhinestone trim and sewing it into a scallop shape. I'm using a thick nylon thread. Here I join both seams together. Then I'm inserting the base into the designed part. Then I secure the top and bottom part with hot glue. I lined the inner part with an extra layer of cardboard. I'm using a white color lining fabric to cover the inner side of the box. To make a lid, I'm using few cardboard circles. Then I reinforced it with 2 wooden bars. I'm using some fiber filling and a foam. Then I covered it with fabric. To cover the inner side of the lid, I'm using an unused fabric. To protect it from fraying, I used the fray stop glue. Then I glued it into the inner side of the lid. To give it an extra beauty, I glued few teardrop shaped flat packs into it. A couple of months before, I saw something similar on Pinterest, and since that time I really wanted to make something like this, and here it is. I am in love with my storage ottoman, and hope you enjoy the video. Until I see you next time, bye bye.